Yo guys, your boy Jamro back at it again with another video. Yo, it's your boy. I hope you lot are good. I hope you lot are great. Today we're doing another sneaker review. You lot loved the last one. The comments was nice. I loved it. It was great. This one's another one. The Jordan 1 High Shattered Backboard 3.0. Give it up. Give it a round of applause. These are hard sneaker. Gonna be reviewing them. I've had them in my sneaker collection for quite a while now. So I thought, you know what? I may as well do a sneaker review on them just so you lot know about the shoe and whether you want to cop or not. Let's get straight into this. Run the intro, boss man.
Cousin.
Safe.
It's your boy Jamro.
Be something more than what you see in the mirror.
Right, before we get into the shoe, let me tell you a little bit about the history of the shattered backboards in the quickest way possible. Michael Jordan had an exhibition match in Italy. His kit was black, orange, and white, I believe. And basically during that match, he ended up shattering a backboard that actually inspired the colorway for the shattered backboard 3.0s, the original shattered backboards, and the 2.0s as well. The first ones, 2015 drop, lovely one, that was peng. And then obviously you got 2.0s, and then you obviously got the 3.0s, which is these ones. So that's like the history behind the shattered backboard story. Anyways, let's get into the shoe, the details. All right, so this is the box. Comes in a normal Jordan 1 High box. You know, it's got the labels on there. You're seeing. I'm a UK 10, so any sponsors? Yeah, there. You get there. Yeah. I haven't got a paper in it. It's just normal paper. There's nothing special. But the sneakers themselves. Look at these joints. These joints are clean as hell. Clean as hell. Honestly, yo. Okay, the bottoms, I have worn them, so that's why they are dirty. And I've had them for at least 6 months. But yeah, these joints are so clean. Pretty much what I did was I swapped out the laces because I think it looks dope having one that's orange and one that's black. It just gives a different vibe. I don't want to look the same as everyone else. That's my personal choice. But you could either put in full black, full orange, or do the same what I did. Getting into the shoe, it's got this weird sort of material. It's a weird, I don't know what material it is, to be honest. It looks like a bin bag. I ain't gonna lie to you, look at that. Bare shiny, looks like a bin bag, but it's supposed to resemble glass. So I can see the inspiration where that came from. It looks dope. I think it looks so different and it looks clean because you don't see a Jordan 1 like this ever using these materials. And the materials are soft, man. Like when I mean soft, this joint's soft and it's comfortable to actually walk on. I really like it myself. And I think the way that they did the same material on the black and the orange suits it well. They just did it on the black or the orange, it'll look well weird, and then the rest of it like tumble leather. No, it'll look strange. But the way they executed it was well beyond what I thought it would be. All right, let's get into the price of this before I carry on with about the actual shoe. So the pricing for these on StockX, they're showing about £244 at the moment. That's how much they're reselling for. In dollars, I'll have the conversion on the screen because I don't know the conversion from pounds to dollars. It's not as much as it used to be. It used to be more. But I ended up picking these up for under that price. I got them for 235, I believe. Not that much under StockX pricing, but still is a brilliant pricing. If you are just new to the sneaker game, I don't recommend picking it up. If you don't know the history behind this colorway, and if you're not into Jordan 1s that much, but you just like some colorways, I wouldn't go for these. I went for these because I saw these and I was like, yo, I'm getting those. Like, I was like, I'm getting those. It doesn't matter. I'm getting them. And then I knew the history behind it. So that's why I got it. But if you don't know the history behind it and you're not really into sneakers that much, then I wouldn't buy it. But if you're an actual sneakerhead and you know, obviously you know about the Jordan brand, you know about Jordan 1s, flipping cop, easy. Everyone knows this, nice. It's a different thing to have in your collection. May not be your favorite, it's my favorite in my collection at the moment, but it's cold. Have the Nike Air on the top. Lovely to see. We love seeing the Nike Air. You know, it's the OG style. We can't have no Jumpman. No normal Jumpman on there. No. We're not doing the mids today. No way. Air Jordan on the side, looking rather lovely and shiny as always in that black on orange. Looks nice. I like it. But the thing that's really nice on this shoe, really nice, is the bottom. It's in like some next cream sail colorway. Bro, should I tell you what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Fear of God tones. It's got that lovely sail tone. I love it. It's just cold. I think it suits the shoe. If it was in orange or something, I would not buy the shoe. There's no way. There's no way I would buy the shoe. It looks terrible if it was in orange or if it was in black. It would horrible. Looking at sizing with it, I'm gonna say stay true to size. Or Jordan stay true to size. If you're looking at resale, it's dead. Dead. Don't cop for resale. Okay, you hit up. I'll put all the cards on the table. Don't cop for resale. You're making no money, none at all. If you're gonna get this, you're gonna get it to keep. You're not gonna get it to sell. If you get it to sell, then bro, you're gonna watch your peas go down the drain because it's not worth it. To get like a Jordan to sell, like the Royals, Midnight Navies, Mochas, they might go up in price. Now I'm gonna switch to the try on so you can see what it looks like in real life. Come, let's just switch to the try on. Time to make your decision whether you want to cop or drop. Comment down below and let me know if you're gonna cop or drop on these. If you are new, make sure you do like, subscribe and share. There's a lot of new people that come to my channel but they haven't subscribed, so make sure you do subscribe. It'll help out a lot. Trying to get to 1K. Obviously I post comedy content and sneaker content, so if you like laughing, yeah, and if you like sneakers, then subscribe to this channel straight up. All right, God bless, spread peace not hate, and your boys out. Yeah.